one last point. So here we use the interest rate method. There is also another method called straight line interest rate method. So what is, you can see here, the carrying value is not different figures here. So in other words, when you reallocate the value, the total value of the discount into the expenses, it doesn't mean that every year you will have $558. The values every year would be different, as in this example. This difference between the book value of expense and the coupon expense every year is different if you are using effective interest rate method. But what if you use a straight line method? In this case, in this example, the total discount on bonds is 10,000. How many years do we have? 10 years. You just divide the total value of the discount by 10 years and you will get this adjustment that you need to make between the book value of expense and the coupon value of expense. Every year it would be same. You can see here every year it is 1,000. If we did in this example, you would first find the difference between 12.5 million minus 11.5 million. Let's do 12.5 minus 11.57. So the total value of the discount is 930,000 and you will divide it by 5. And every year you will have 186,000. And in our example here, if our discount is 229,000 and suppose the maturity of the bond is 10 years, you will divide it by 10 and every year you will have, instead of 558, you will have 22,900. That's the only difference between straight line method and effective interest rate method. With straight line method, the difference between two types of expenses is same every year. But in all other respects, the procedure is same. If you have discounted value here, well, we put it on the right-hand side. You can also put it on the left-hand side here. Doesn't matter. So this 90,000 must be adjusted upwards. But if you have premium, then this bigger value of 120,000 must be adjusted downwards by subtracting the difference in the expenses.